Today we're going to be painting the firewall. Alright, before I can get started painting, I got some panels I need to install. These are going to help cover up all the unused holes that are in the firewall now, and it's just going to look a lot cleaner when it's done. Alright man, panels are installed, definitely looks a lot better. Now I just need to scuff it up a little bit, put some primer on it, put some paint on it, clear it, and we'll be done. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for today. Next week, I'm going to be dressing up the engine a little bit. I have some stuff I need to paint and get installed, and that's going to look pretty sick, so you don't want to miss it. I'll see you next Saturday.